How to make your Permagreen last longer. It starts down in front. Here we go. Remove your spinner platter and pop off your hood. It takes no time at all to do that. But you want to make sure you get down there with 29 psi of compressed air. Down around that transaxle. Get all that fertilizer off there. You do not want to use a pressure washer. You can use garden hose every now and then, but you don't want the pressure of a pressure washer. It gets under seals and it ruins things prematurely. So once you get all that air dry down there, you want to use this stuff, fluid film. Powerful rust and corrosion protection, and it is, I'm telling you. That'll make your transaxle last a lot longer. Let's head to the back. Tire pressure is important on a Permagreen. As you know, this is liquid filled, but it also will accept air pressure. 12 psi in the back of air pressure, and what that's going to do is make sure tread wear evenly, but it also makes your bearings happy. If you've got grease in these grease zerks back here, and your bearings are rolling along, if there's the proper air pressure in here, your bearings are going to last longer. It's pretty simple. Come on up here. WD-40, everyone knows and loves it. How about down here on the cables? See these? Shot right here. In here. Your shift cable right here. A couple shots there. Any cable where you can get a shot of WD-40 in the metal cable itself and let it slide down that inner sheathing, it's going to make those cables last a lot longer. Let's not forget about oil while we're down here. On the Honda, there's your plug for oil. There's your plug for your wet clutch. These are two separate units. They both require 10W30 oil every 50 hours right here. Your grease zerks down low here, make sure you hit the grease zerks every 25 hours. You have to grease the machine. Got to change the oil. Really important on a Permagreen. That's how you make your machine last longer. Another how-to. Watch them all on our YouTube channel. And if you need parts, go to permagreen.com.